South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai on Thursday informed that projects worth more than 100 crores are being implemented in his constituency. Speaking to media persons after holding a review of the developmental schemes and projects in the constituency, Shulai said that projects worth rupees 107 crores are being implemented in his constituency. Some of the massive projects are construction of motorable roads, link roads, drainage systems, etc. at a cost of rupees 48 crores. Similarly, another project of development of cultural completion of Seng Khasi Ri-Rat Laban is being taken at a cost of rupees 10 crore.
Engineer di department prepare ki ba yang konsumsi ki ba rap benyo skim ka bolong minta kana ka simporo kolong rupees 107 crore 46 lakh 16,843 only ka bamut she's pa nyau crore sau penreu lak khat reu hajar praspa sau pulai tegamut kade ke kamram ke jonga ban penbena.
Residents of